So here is the Perplexity AI tutorial for beginners. First up, let's head over to perplexity.ai. And as you can see, we're already here. Let's start off by checking out the pricing plans. Here we can see Pro and Max. You can check out the different features that they offer from here. So now, let's go back to the main page and click on Sign In on the bottom left corner. Here, you can continue with Google or Apple. You can also enter your email if you want. So let's select the Google account and click on Continue. We will then be signed in to Perplexity.ai. After that, you'll be prompted to upgrade to the Pro plan, but for now, we will cancel it from the top right corner. Then you will get to see this pop up to try Comet for Windows, which is to browse the web with AI. For now, we will skip this. You can use it if you like. So as you can see, we're now logged in and in the main dashboard. If you click on the plus icon on the top left corner, you will start a new chat. Then we have Library. This is where you can search all your threads and media and also the apps. After that, there's Discover. This is where you will find the latest news and also updates about the stock markets and crypto markets. There's For You, and then we have Top. Here you will find all the top trending news articles. And after that, we have Topics. If you click on it, you will get to see different topics that you can choose from. And after selecting them, you will get the relevant articles. After that, let's check out Spaces from the left. You can create a new space in order to collaborate with others or organize your research. You can also see these examples on the bottom. Next up is Finance. This is where you will get to see all the latest finance news available. You can also check through different sections like crypto. Then there is Earnings. These are the US company earnings. You can see the earnings calendar and check the results for different dates, depending on your preference. You can also use this calendar option to select whichever date you want. Then we have Predictions, Screener, Politics, and Watch List. This gives you a comprehensive and easy to access updates. You can even use the chat box on the bottom to ask Perplexity about anything you see here on the screen. This becomes really handy if you're working with finances or into stock markets or crypto. And as you can see on the right, we have gainers, losers, and active. These are all the latest updates about these companies. And then we have more on the left side. You can see additional sections that you can check out. Then on the bottom, we have Account. This is where you can access all the different account settings and preferences. So for now, let's go ahead and click on the plus icon from the top left corner. This will open up a new chat. Here you can see the main prompt box. Then you can select between Search, Research, and Labs. And on the right, we have options to set sources for search, such as URL links. Then you can choose a different model and also attach documents. Then we have Dictation. So let's now start off by typing in a prompt. Let's type in something like how to do. And as you start typing, you will notice that you will get some suggestions on the bottom, just like you get on Google search. And right below the prompt box, you also get to see different options you can choose from. For example, if you select Analyze, you'll be able to analyze whatever you want, and you can attach up to 3 files on the free plan a day. So let's choose Analyze Recent Job Market Data. And as you can see, it started thinking and researching the recent web data on unemployment rates, job growth, and sector trends for a deep analysis. For tasks like this, it usually takes a while, so you need to be patient and wait it out. This way, you can research about any topic that you like. And if you're using the research mode, it will take much longer to answer, but the wait is well worth it because it will search through the web and get you the best data available. And once it's done with the research, it will start giving you the findings right here. And as you can see, you also get the reference links from where it got the information. If you hover over the source name, you will get to see something like this. For this one, it says 2 sources. You can also click on the link from the box below, and then you will be redirected to the link. This way, you can easily fact-check the information yourself if you want to. And on the top, if you go over to links, you'll be able to see a list of all the links that has been referenced over here. After that, there's an image section. This is where you will find all the images related to your query. So this way, you can use Perplexity AI to do detailed research on any topic of your choosing. And once you get a response, you get multiple options on the bottom of it, such as share, download, copy, rewrite. You also get the sources here as well. If you click on it, you will get to see all the sources used. Then there's research, and if you click on the three dots, you will get to see options to delete, report, or save query as shortcut. If you click on the three dots on the top right, you will get to see more options like these. So now, if you go over to Library on the left panel and go to Threads, this is where we will find our latest thread. And you can easily access it from here anytime that you want. Then, if you click on the three dots right beside it, you can rename your thread according to your preference. That way, you can easily keep your research and other chats organized. All you need to do is click on it and you'll be redirected to the chat once again. And now you can easily continue from where you left off. You can also rename your thread from the three dots on the top right and then export it as your desired method. So after you get all the details about your desired topic, you can even ask Perplexity to create a paper for you. For that, you just need to prompt it and Perplexity will get to work. For example, I will type in something like give me a paper about how volcanoes happen. And since it fetched a lot of information on the topic, it can easily use this info to create a paper. So we'll type in the prompt and press enter. And as you can see, it started generating a file. And once it's done, it will give you a comprehensive research paper based on your desired topic. You can just click on the paper link in order to view it, and it will open on a window on the right side. From here, you can check it out and read through. Then click on the export option to download it onto your device. And if you're not satisfied with the research paper, you can explore the topic further if you want. Just go ahead and type in your follow-up question or task. So for my specific task, I can ask it if there are any academic papers published on this topic. That way, we can get more solid information. And as you can see, it's now researching and will give us information on all the scientific papers published on this topic. Same way as before, you will get the links for the research papers right over here in the answer, and you can check out whichever one that you want. Or you can just click on the sources below to see all the sources at once. Perplexity will also give you related topics on the bottom, which you can then click in order to export them if you want. For example, let's click this one. And as you can see, it's now giving us more new information. This is why Perplexity is considered one of the top research models that you can find out there. Now, let's head over to the account section from the bottom left corner, and then select All Settings. This is the place from where you can manage all your account settings. You can also upgrade your plan and see your subscription visible here. Then if we select Preferences, you can set the appearance, language, preferred response language, and more. If you want, you can upgrade your plan from here as well. You can choose between these different types according to your preference. Now let's cancel it from the top right. You will see more customization options like customizing your sidebar. Just enable or disable whichever sections that you want to keep on the left side. Then we have personalization, assistant, shortcuts, tasks, notifications, and connectors. This way you can customize your entire experience on Perplexity AI. And that's it. And that is the Perplexity AI tutorial for beginners.